Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Papermate medium line Flair pen. It has very vivid colors. This one is black, so it writes very vividly in black, crisp lines. It's my absolute favorite pen. I have these everywhere. I keep them in my purse. I keep them next to my bed. I keep them in my pen jar. Really nice felt tip pen. This one particularly comes with two. It's quick drying, it's water based ink and resists smearing, which is really great. It doesn't bleed through the paper. It's acid free on paper. It has a point guard so the brush tip doesn't come out. Let me get one of these out of the package here. You can see what it looks like. Papermate Flair medium. Nice size pen. I use them a lot. Cards to people. It's really fun to write out happy birthday. It's nice and smooth. Really wonderful pen. Writes out boldly. You can see this is a notebook. Happy birthday, Jenny. If you look at the fine tip, let's see. It has a nice felt tip to it. Like I said, it has a guard so it doesn't brush out on you. And what else about this? The felt tip provides bold and expressive lines. It's made by Papermate and it's fabricated in Mexico, which is this is a Rubbermaid company. Absolute favorite pen. Works in any situation. If you need to write on your hand, or like I said, if you're writing a nice special occasion, like happy anniversary. Really nice. And you can see, I'll show you, it doesn't bleed through the paper. Okay, absolutely no bleeding. It's a really just great pen all around. Edition. If you are a big pen nerd like I am, you don't need anything fancy, just a nice Flair Papermate that writes boldly but also beautifully, and great little pen. Wonderful. I would rate it 5 out of 5 stars. Like, by far surpasses any other pen. It's wonderful, nice, and easy to use. So the Papermate Flair medium bold pen. Check it out.